Hey sassy friends, it's me, Melissa Haole. I wanted to quickly give you guys an update on some exciting Color Street news. First, I wanted to make sure you are aware that the Color Street Foundation is at it once again, helping to raise awareness and funds for some amazing organizations. This month is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and Color Street is doubling down. It's the first time they provided us with 2 nail sets for one cause. But they've also raised the stakes. The goal this month is to earn $200,000 instead of $100,000, which is what we've done in the past for other organizations. So why so much? Well, because this time they're trying to support 3 different organizations. We've got the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, we've got Living Beyond Breast Cancer, and then also the National Breast Cancer Foundation. So how that works is that $2 from each of these limited edition sets sold in October is being donated. So if you want to show your support, then please jump on over to www.sassygirlnails.com. All right, the next thing I wanted to tell you guys is our October Join special. So if you've been thinking about becoming a Color Street nail stylist, or if you want to learn more about it, this is the section you want to definitely pay attention to because it's pretty amazing. So let me backtrack. When I started as a Color Street nail stylist, our starter kit was $129 and it came with 10 full sets of Color Street. Well, this past August at the Color Street conference, they announced that they were going to include 3 additional nail strips in those kits, because they wanted to include the pedicure line and the petite line. So that's awesome. That means that going forward, the Color Street starter kit included 13 full nail sets for the same cost. Except if you join this October, because right now, if you become a stylist, you get 5 additional nail sets. So for $129, you're going to get 18 full sets of Color Street plus all the business supplies. And you could even use your starter kit sets as gifts for the holidays. So if you're in a Secret Santa or a White Elephant, or over here we call that a Yankee Swap, you could right there kind of make back your money, because instead of spending the money somewhere else, you can use that money to purchase your kit and then use those items as gifts. Now, depending on your budget, you can also add other fun items into your gift, like a glass nail file or a manicure set. Or you could do it more of like a pedicure kit. So you could have some fun holiday socks. So in the pictures I'm showing you, these are kind of the different variations that I made for last holiday season. If you'd like to learn more about becoming a stylist, just head to join.sassygirlnails.com. This will bring you to my page if you were to join my team. But it also has lots of great information too. So you don't have to actually just go and join. So in here, you're going to find out some additional information about that October special. Some information about becoming a stylist. And then if you're ready to join, there's a join now button. That's what you would click to go ahead and read through all the agreements. And then just at the end, you'll be asked to provide your credit card so that you can pay for your starter kit. And then you'll automatically be added to my team. I hope to see you there, guys. And who knows, maybe next year we'll be hanging in person in Vegas, because that's where the Color Street conference is. Or even better, relaxing on a Color Street leadership retreat. Last year I got to go on an amazing cruise, and here I met Mr. Fall Park. And then this year I'm hoping to earn the Cancun trip that's going to be happening in May. Next, and totally exciting, is our winter holiday launch. Yes, this month Color Street launched one of my favorite launches, which is our holiday themed nail strips. They gave us 15. Now 3 of those are for the petite line. That's for those with smaller fingers. And that's not including the 2 nail sets they had released earlier to celebrate Thanksgiving. So many great choices for you guys to look at. They've got glitters, they've got designs. If you want to see the entire collection, you can head on over to browse at my site, which again is sassygirlnails.com. All right, and now it's time for the last announcement. And this one has been totally unexpected by me. Actually, I'm quite frankly floored by this news. And that is that this channel has reached over 3,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to take some time to thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really hope that you found some useful information in them. I have more in the works. So if you're not already a subscriber, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And also, guys, make sure that you have that little bell icon clicked on as well, because if you have that clicked on, you'll get a notification when I post my next video. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love this community and I can't wait to see where it goes. Have a wonderful day, guys, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.